ever felt like you're working too hard, but your bank account isn't keeping up? You're not alone. Millions of people are stuck in a financial rut, constantly wondering, how can I earn more money without giving up my entire life? But here's the thing. The path to financial freedom may be simpler than you think. If you're willing to take action, starting today, in this video, we're diving into 5 side hustles that can help you boost your income immediately. And don't worry, this isn't some boring list. These are real, achievable ways to increase your cash flow starting now. And trust me, you won't want to miss the last one. It might just change your life. Let's be honest. The thought of a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life doesn't exactly scream wealth and freedom, does it? That's where side hustles come in. They can help you not only earn extra cash, but also diversify your income, something that's absolutely critical if you want to break free from financial stress. First up, freelancing. It's probably the most accessible side hustle. You've got skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or even social media management, and someone out there is willing to pay for them. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr make it easier than ever to connect with clients who need exactly what you offer. And here's where the urgency comes in. Every day that you're not freelancing, you're leaving money on the table. Imagine what a few extra $100 a month could do for you. Pay off debt, fund a vacation, or better yet, start investing in your future. But let's not go too wild. You don't need to be the next Elon Musk. Start small, build your client base, and watch how quickly your side income grows. Now, freelancing is great, but maybe you're looking for something a little less hands-on, something that earns you money while you sleep. Enter print on demand. If you've got a creative spark, this one's for you. Picture this. You design custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and platforms like Printful or Teespring handle everything else. No inventory, no shipping. Your job. Create awesome designs and watch the passive income roll in. Here's the kicker. This is scalable. What starts as a few dollars from a couple of sales could easily grow into a full-blown online business. And with social media marketing, you can reach thousands of customers without ever leaving your bedroom. Now, before you go imagining yourself as the next billionaire with a t-shirt empire, let's stay grounded. Success in print-on-demand requires consistency and marketing. But if you're persistent, the potential is massive. Okay, maybe selling merch isn't your thing. Let's talk about something you're probably already doing, but haven't figured out how to profit from yet. Yes, I'm talking about YouTube. It's one of the most profitable platforms on the planet. And the best part is, you don't even have to show your face. Channels in niches like personal finance, like this one, tech reviews, or even top 10 lists can earn serious cash through ads and sponsorships. But here's what most people don't realize about YouTube. Just a few successful videos can create passive income for years. Imagine earning money from content you created last year, or even 2 years ago. And no, you don't have to do the cringy influencer thing. Stick to what you're passionate about and trust the process. Oh, and by the way, do you know what every successful YouTuber has in common? They all started with 0 subscribers. Speaking of starting from scratch, let's talk about another side hustle that allows you to build a stream of income over time with very little upfront investment: drop shipping. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't drop shipping dead? Absolutely not. Done right, drop shipping is still a powerful way to generate income without holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store, list products, and when someone buys, the order goes directly to the supplier, who handles fulfillment. Platforms like Shopify make this easy to start today, even if you've never sold anything online before. But here's the catch. Drop shipping success doesn't happen overnight. You need to find the right products and market them to the right audience. If you're willing to invest some time, this can quickly become a high-income side hustle. And here's a pro tip. If you master drop shipping, you're setting yourself up for bigger opportunities in the world of e-commerce. But now, let's talk about the one side hustle that's truly unique and requires 0 investment up front. Are you ready? This next side hustle is all about leveraging what you already have. Your car, your spare room, or your free time. That's right. Renting out your car on Turo or a spare room on Airbnb. These platforms have revolutionized the gig economy, allowing you to turn assets you already own into income-generating machines. If you have a car that sits unused or a room that's collecting dust, why not list them? People are always looking for affordable options when traveling or commuting. And the best part, once you're set up, it's mostly passive income. Sure, you'll need to maintain your listings and respond to inquiries, but with high demand, you can turn your idle assets into a substantial side income. Imagine earning hundreds, if not thousands, just from renting something you already own. At this rate, your car or apartment might end up being the best employee you've ever had. So there you have it, 5 side hustles you can start today, no matter where you are or what resources you have. The truth is, opportunities are out there, just waiting for you to take action. Side hustles aren't just for extra pocket money. They're the building blocks of financial independence. Imagine this. You start small today, but in a year, that side hustle could be your primary income source. What would your life look like with financial freedom? No more worrying about bills. No more working for someone else's dream. But remember, the only bad side hustle is the one you don't start. Which side hustle will you start today? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more ways to boost your income and live a wealthy lifestyle, hit that subscribe button and join the journey to financial freedom.